told you we are starting that new protocol of giving baricitinib, which was the drug which was used for rheumatoid, and then the therapy is very, very economical, reasonable, and it reduces the incidences of cytokine storm. And this is put into practice now from yesterday, and then we will come out with our clinical efficacy reports in within 3 to 4 days time. Okay, so that is what I wanted to share. Secondly, we also have few cases, that is about 6 cases of mucormycosis, which we are treating as per the latest protocol, that is what is known as the endoscopic debridement of the mucormycosis. This is seen basically in patients who have high diabetes and people who abuse these steroids. What we said initially, that when there is COVID, first 5 days of COVID, we state of uh, um, viremia, means the viruses are dividing and viruses are strong. During these first 5 days, we had restricted not to make use of steroids. Now, this also we are educating many people, saying that don't use steroids in first 5 days. Whereas after 5 days, this is the time that when there is inflammation and inflammatory stage of the lung comes, that is the role, that is the time we need steroid. So we have seen these patients have used steroids little earlier. They were diabetic, high diabetic. And the results of these operated failures are good. We have procured the required antifungal medication, that is lyophilized. Lyophilized means fat-soluble amphotericin B is used in these patients, and they respond well.